Hello, my name is Keith and I'm from IELTS Speaking Success. I'm an online teacher and trainer, and I have also been an IELTS examiner for 6 years when I was living in China. Now, in this video, we're going to look at a part 1 recent question all about wearing jeans. I'll show you some language and ideas and how you can answer that. You may or may not know, I also have an online course to help you get a Band 7 or above in IELTS speaking. I'm going to tell you about some free videos in that course at the end of this video. But for now, let's find out how you feel about wearing jeans. Okay, so in this video now, I'm going to look at a new part 1 question, which is all about wearing jeans. So here are the common questions around this topic. First, do you like wearing jeans? And maybe why? Why are they so popular? Do most people like to wear jeans? Do you prefer to wear a certain brand of jeans? Okay, so I'm going to take 2 of these questions, give you a template and a sample answer to follow, and then we'll look at some of the language. So let me take the first question. Do you like wearing jeans? Stop and now answer that question. Do you like wearing jeans? It's an interesting question, right? Okay, so well done at trying it. So here I'm going to use the template yes, but. And I want you see, I don't use those exact words. So I want you to listen and then tell me which words I used to show or express yes and to express but. Okay, are we ready? Let's try it, okay? Here we go. Do you like wearing jeans? For sure, I wear jeans an awful lot because they're just so comfy and practical. That said, I don't wear them in the summer so much because it's usually too hot. I think they're more suitable for the cooler seasons. Right. So did you spot how I said yes, but? For yes, I said for sure. And for but, I said that said. So these are nice different ways of expressing those ideas. Looking at some of the language, I used the word awful, right? Which means very bad, but actually we can use that to mean a real lot. So instead of saying a lot, we can say an awful lot. I like Chinese food an awful lot. Actually, we normally link an awful lot. I like pizza an awful lot. I go swimming an awful lot. I read books an awful lot. Or you can even say, I have an awful lot of books. I have a lot of something. I have an awful lot of books. I have an awful lot of video games. It's not true. I don't play video games. Well, not much. I used to, but not nowadays. But I do have an awful lot of recipe books because I love cooking. So that's nice to vary your language a bit. Instead of just a lot, an awful lot. And did you notice I use the word just? It's just so comfy. This chair is just so comfy. Just means simply, okay? It's simply comfy. And we often use it when we don't know quite how to explain something. You know, why do you like that chair? Well, it's just so comfy. By the way, comfy is comfortable, right? Why do you, why do you shop in Carrefour or Alcampo? Well, it's just so convenient, right? I don't know how to explain it. It's just simply convenient. It's just so convenient. And why do you watch that TV program? Oh, it's just so good. So just is a very natural way of just saying simply, or when you're not quite sure how to explain something. Marvelous. Now, if you like this video and want to see more similar videos, I've just uploaded a bunch of new videos for free on my IELTS Speaking Success Get a Band 7 Plus course. It's on Udemy. If you are enrolled in the course, you can go in now and watch these new videos for free. Every 4 months, I will be uploading new videos based on the recent questions. If you haven't enrolled yet, get over there now, enroll and start improving your English so you can also get a Band 7 on your IELTS Speaking. Take care. See you there. Bye-bye.